Champ Term Book, Series 5. Term 1, Mathematics. Chapter 6, Fractions. When we multiply the numerator and the denominator of a fraction by the same number, except 0, the fractions we thus get are equivalent. For example, 9 divided by 17 equals 9 times 2 divided by 17 times 2 equals 18 divided by 34. 9 divided by 17 equals 9 times 3 divided by 17 times 3 equals 27 divided by 51. 9 divided by 17 equals 9 times 4 divided by 17 times 4 equals 36 divided by 68. Thus, 9 divided by 17 equals 18 divided by 34 equals 27 divided by 51 equals 36 divided by 68. We can also get the fractions equivalent to a given fraction by dividing its numerator and denominator by the same number. For example, 36 divided by 96 equals 36 divided by 2 divided by 96 divided by 2 equals 18 divided by 48. 36 divided by 96 equals 36 divided by 3 divided by 96 divided by 3 equals 12 divided by 32. 36 divided by 96 equals 36 divided by 4 divided by 96 divided by 4 equals 9 divided by 24. 36 divided by 96 equals 36 divided by 6 divided by 96 divided by 6 equals 6 divided by 16. 36 divided by 96 equals 36 divided by 12 divided by 96 divided by 12 equals 3 divided by 8. Thus 36 divided by 96 equals 18 divided by 48 equals 12 divided by 32 equals 9 divided by 24 equals 6 divided by 16 equals 3 divided by 8. Checking the equivalence of two fractions. We have learnt that 36 divided by 96 and 3 divided by 8 are equivalent fractions. Hence, 36 times 8 equals 288. 96 times 3 equals 288. Clearly, 36 times 8 equals 96 times 3. From the above, we conclude that in two equivalent fractions, numerator of the first fraction times denominator of the second fraction equals denominator of the first fraction times numerator of the second fraction. Example 1. Check whether 3 divided by 4 and 6 divided by 7 are equivalent fractions or not. Solution. 3 times 7 equals 21. 4 times 6 equals 24. Since 3 times 7 does not equal 4 times 6, 21 does not equal 24. Therefore, 3 divided by 4 and 6 divided by 7 are not equivalent fractions. Fraction as division. A fraction can be treated as a division. Look at this strip. 1 whole. Now when it is divided into two equal halves, each part is 1 divided by 2, and we say that 1 is divided by 2 equals 1 half. i.e., 1 divided by 2 equals 1 half. Study the following. 4 divided by 2 equals 2, also 4 halves equals 2. 4 balls are divided. 6 divided by 3 equals 2, also 6/3 equals 2. 6 balls are divided. 8 divided by 3 equals 8/3 equals 6 plus 2 divided by 3 equals 6 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 3 equals 2 plus 2 divided by 3 equals 2 by 2/3. 8 balls are divided. Lowest form of a fraction. We know 1 half, 2 quarters, 4/8, 5/10 are all equivalent fractions. Among these fractions, 1 half is the lowest or the simplest form, as 1 and 2 have no other common factor except 1. So their HCF is 1. Example 2. Is 5/12 in the simplest form? Solution. Here, we have 5 equals 1 times 5. 12 equals 1 times 2 times 2 times 3. Therefore 5 and 12 have no common factor other than 1, i.e., they are co-primes. Therefore 5/12 is in the simplest form. Comparison of fractions. Let us compare 3/8 and 5/8. We know that 3 less than 5. Therefore 3/8 less than 5/8. Rule 1. If two fractions have the same denominator, the fraction which has greater numerator is greater. Thus, 9/20ths greater than 7/20ths and 11/35ths greater than 6/35ths. Again, we have 9 less than 10. Therefore 5/9 less than 5/10. Rule 2. If the numerators of two fractions are equal, the fraction which has smaller denominator is greater. Such as 6/11ths greater than 6/13ths. Now compare the fractions 2/3 and 3/4. Here the fractions have different denominators and different numerators. We should change them as fractions of the common denominator 12, LCM of the denominators 3 and 4. Thus, 2/3 equals 2 times 4 divided by 3 times 4 equals 8, 12. 3/4 equals 3 times 3 divided by 4 times 3 equals 9, 12. As 8/12ths less than 9/12ths, applying Rule 1. Therefore 2/3 less than 3/4. This can be verified as follows. Since 2/3 equals 8, 12. So, 8 boxes out of 12 boxes are shaded. Since 3/4 equals 9, 12. So, 9 boxes out of 12 boxes are shaded. From the two figures, we conclude that 2/3 less than 3/4 because 3/4 covers the larger part. Example 3. Change the following fractions into like fractions. 3/4 and 5/6. Solution. Like fractions are those fractions which have same denominator. The given fractions are 3/4 and 5/6. The lowest common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. LCM equals 2 times 2 times 3 equals 12. So, we have to change the denominators of both to the common denominator 12. 3/4 equals 3 times 3 divided by 4 times 3 equals 9, 12. 5/6 equals 5 times 2 divided by 6 times 2 equals 10, 12. To convert a mixed fraction into an improper fraction, let us take a mixed fraction 4 by 5/6. Example 4. Change 2 by 7/8 into improper fraction. Solution. To convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, let us take an improper fraction 21/8. Example 5. Convert 88/15 into a mixed fraction. Solution. 88/15 equals 75 plus 13/15. Addition of fractions. Addition of like fractions. Example 6. Add 9/20ths and 7/20ths. Solution. 9/20ths plus 7/20ths equals 9 plus 7 divided by 20 equals 16/20ths equals 4/5. Addition of unlike fractions. From previous knowledge we recall that to add two or more unlike fractions, first we have to make a common denominator for all the fractions by changing all the fractions to their equivalent fractions and then add them. Example 14. Add 1/3 and 1/2. Solution. Here in 1/3 and 1/2, the denominators are 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. We can write 1/3 plus 1/2 equals 2/6 plus 3/6 equals 2 plus 3 divided by 6 equals 5/6. The common multiples of 2 and 5 are 10, 20, etc., as the lowest among 10, 20, etc. is 10. Therefore the lowest common multiple of 2 and 5 is 10. To find LCM by using prime factorization. Example 8. Find the LCM of 12 and 15. Solution. Step 1. Find the prime factors of 12 and 15. 12 equals 2 times 2 times 3. 15 equals 3 times 5. Subtraction of fractional numbers. To subtract two fractions, we subtract the numerator after changing the fractions into like fractions of the same denominators. Example 9. Find 3/5 to 1/5. Solution. 3/5 1/5 equals 3 to 1 divided by 5 equals 2/5. Multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. In case of whole numbers, we have seen that 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 3 times 4 equals 12. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 5 times 5 equals 25. We know if out of 4 equal parts of a box, one part is shaded, it represents the number 1/4. So, we learn that, while multiplying a fraction by a whole number, multiply the numerator by the whole number. Now change the fraction into a mixed number. Fraction of a whole number. Look at this picture. This is a group of 6 flowers. If it is separated into 2 equal halves, we see that each 1/2 of the group contains 3 flowers. Mathematically, we can express this as 1/2 of 6 equals 1 divided by 2 times 6 equals 3.